my screen is visible to all teachers, can maybe give a thumbs up. And welcome to the fourth session of our program, Voice of Inclusion Echo. We've already met thrice for 3 different tools, and today we're looking for another tool. A little glimpse about the entire program, that how does this entire 6 weeks together look like. So ये प्रोग्राम में जनरली हम डिजिटल टूल्स के अराउंड जो एजुकेशन में यूज हो सकते हैं उसके अवेयरनेस के लिए हम यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं. And in terms of awareness of tools, we are seeing some of these tools like Google Forms, Google Slides, Jamboard, Docs, spreadsheets, Google Classroom, and not just awareness, not just understanding के tools में होता क्या है, लेकिन इसके साथ साथ even school support around how can we take it to the schools, and schools में जब teachers use कर रहे हैं ये tools को अपने classrooms में अपने students के साथ, वहाँ पे क्या दिक्कत आ रही है, वहाँ पे क्या challenges, क्या problems आ रही है, discussing those things together on this platform, and also having recommendations from each other of okay, if these are certain common things, what can be done further. This is the entire program that we all are meeting for. ये 6 tools में से हमने 3 tools की already कुछ sessions attend किए हैं, and today we are going to discuss or get to know more about Google Docs. That what exactly is Google Docs? How can we use that in our class? This is the agenda जो आप सबके साथ email पे भी share किया गया है. So let's begin the space by having a short round of quiz. हमने 3 sessions में एक अलग-अलग चीजें सीखी है. So let's recall certain things around these digital tools. So I will be flashing certain questions. आपको questions देख के options देख के chat box पे अपने responses देने. So we'll be having a few questions. If all teachers could give a thumbs up अगर instructions are clear. Questions will be flashed on the screen. आपको answers chat box पे देने. Thank you so much. तो आपके सामने स्क्रीन पे एक टूल दिखाई दे रहा है, एक आइकन दिखाई दे रहा है. सो ये कौन से गूगल टूल का आइकन है? Which is this Google tool? Waiting for responses on the chat box, and आपके पास कुछ options भी है. Is it Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Forms, or Google Spreadsheets? We'll be waiting for few teachers to respond. ये पर्पल कलर का जो आइकन आपके सामने दिखाई दे रहा है, which Google tool is this? There are 4 options: Google Docs, Slides, Forms, Spreadsheets. Maybe you can recall अगर आपने पहले कहीं पे ये आइकन देखा है, यूज किया है. So the correct answer is purple color का icon of Google tool is actually for Google Forms. The third option. I would request all teachers to kindly make sure that your phones are on mute. Thank you so much. So yes, the correct answer here is this purple color icon is for Google Form. If you remember, the first session that we all had was around forms. So ये icon Google Forms का है. Great. I can see teachers are rectifying their answers now. Amazing. Let's see the next one. This is the session that we had recently. So ये tool कौन से Google tool का icon है? ये picture कौन से Google tool का icon है? We'll wait for teachers to think, type, and respond. So we saw the last one, purple color, was for Google Jamboard. Oh, sorry, for Google Forms. Now this orange color thing is for. Okay, there are mixed responses around Jamboard, Forms. Okay, the correct answer for this particular question is ये Jamboard का icon, Google Jamboard. The last option, ये Google Jamboard का icon है. This blue color. The next icon is this blue color file. Which digital tool is this icon? Google Docs, Slides, Forms, Spreadsheets. Okay, we'll wait for a few responses. And yes, almost all of us have got this one correct. It is the icon for Google Docs. Great. So we'll be seeing more features of Google Docs today. Amazing, right? Okay, a few more questions around the previous tools that we have. Can you insert, what can you insert in a Jamboard? हमने last session में Jamboard देखा था, तो Jamboard में हम क्या क्या insert कर सकते हैं? Image, sticky note, shapes, or all of them? What can be insert in Jamboard? Yes, we can add image. Okay, Monique first says all. All of these, yes, we can add image, sticky note, shape of any kind that you want on Jamboard. Great. And the last question for today. What is the Google app that allows you to create questions and gather responses from participants? अगर मुझे क्लास में कुछ क्वेश्चंस बना के स्टूडेंट्स से रिस्पॉन्सेस लेने हैं, सो मैं कौन सा गूगल ऐप यूज करूंगी? Will I use spreadsheets, docs, forms, or slides? Great. So yes, we'll use Google Forms अगर हमें responses gather करने हैं. Amazing. So we had some revision time for the previous sessions में जो हमने देखे हैं. आज we will be seeing a lot around Google Docs. Google Docs होता क्या है, some basic features around it, and at the same time as a teacher हम इसे classroom के अंदर pedagogy में कहाँ use कर सकते हैं. So we'll be mainly covering and getting aware of these two things for Google Docs today. So let's just, we are all aware कि Google Docs है क्या, because most of us correctly answered that ये icon Google Docs का है. And we can also see this image that Google Docs जब हम open करते हैं, we can type a lot of things in it. So what exactly is Google Docs? It is similar to Word. Microsoft में जैसे Word फाइल होती है, वैसे similar to Word, जहाँ पे हम explanations टाइप कर सकते हैं, homework टाइप करके students को दे सकते हैं, and students खुद भी अपना work create करके teachers को submit कर सकते हैं. So Google Docs is nothing but it is a word processing program जिसके अंदर हम documents create कर सकते हैं, या story write करना हो या कोई report लिखना हो, we can write all these things, type all these things into Google Docs. So we have this basic understanding कि docs होता क्या है. Let us come and see what additional things, what advanced features are also possible in Google Docs जो शायद हमें अभी तक पता हो ना हो, and it is very useful as teachers in classrooms. So before that, let's see, अगर हमें docs खोलना है, if you want to reach till Google Docs, what exactly do we need to do? So we go on Drive, Google Drive, click on New. As soon as we click on New, we have an option of what exactly do we want to open. There we have this option of Google Docs. We click on it and we get a new file open, a new Google Docs file open on our screens on our devices. Now let's see certain features, and I'll be sharing certain equations on the screen. Teachers of maybe maths and science or any other subject, have you used these equations ever in question papers, and how have you typed, or what challenges have you faced? If you could recall those things. अगर हमें ये equations एग्जाम में पूछने बच्चों को, बच्चों के क्वेश्चंस में भी डालने हो, तो इट्स डिफिकल्ट और इट्स कंफ्यूजिंग कि हम टाइप कैसे करें. बस थिंग्स लाइक रूट जो है वो हमारे कीपैड के ऊपर या कीबोर्ड के ऊपर नहीं है, हमें डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर अलग लिखने हैं, तो दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, और इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट अगर हमने कुछ लिखा है, प्रिंट कुछ और हुआ है, और बच्चे को एग्जाम में जब तक क्वेश्चन पेपर पहुंचा, इट्स समथिंग एल्स दैट इज विजिबल टू देम. So equations, or maybe even equations in science where there are subscripts and coefficients, it's difficult to correctly mention it so that जैसे टेक्स्ट बुक पे दिया है वैसे ही स्टूडेंट्स तक भी पहुंचे. और maybe certain special characters which are there in science, or maybe Greek letters, when we want to actually type them, they're not there on the keyboard. Then how do we actually insert them? Things like alpha, beta, or maybe pi की sign हमें add करनी है. So let's see, if we are using Google Docs, what can we do and how can we insert these things very easily. So we go to the document जहाँ पे हमें type करना है, वहाँ पे insert का option जो होगा, insert पे हम click करेंगे. Insert में नीचे there are two options, special characters and equation. अगर हमें special character, maybe we want to add pi, the value of the sign pi, so हम special characters पे click करेंगे, and we have a list of characters that we want, that we can select. पूरा bank of resource, bank of special characters visible होगा, and we can type and search, or maybe draw and search and insert that character. Similarly, अगर हमें equation, mathematical equation डालना है, we can click on equation and we get an equation toolbar. हमें जिस तरीके का equation type करना है उसे हम select करके हम type कर सकेंगे. So this is something that makes easy for teachers to type equations and special characters in Word file. Now let's come to language. So, okay, on the chat box I can see my voice was cracking. I just want to confirm before I go ahead. If everybody could give a thumbs up if my voice is clear. Okay, thank you so much for all those who confirm. Great. So usually because हम सब English medium schools में पढ़ा रहे हैं, so हम usually type पे जो करते रहते हैं is around English. But sometimes maybe there are different languages that students are learning, or maybe there are different languages जिसमें हमें पेरेंट्स को कम्युनिकेट करना है. सो देयर आर टाइम्स जहाँ पे हमें इंग्लिश के सिवाय हिंदी में और लोकल लैंग्वेज में भी टाइप करना है. एंड एवरी टीचर डज नॉट नो किस तरीके से टाइपिंग इन डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज पॉसिबल है. लाइक द अवेयरनेस ऑफ द कीबोर्ड फॉर डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज इज डिफरेंट. So how can a teacher easily, a teacher who's just comfortable with typing English can also change the language and type any other language that is required. So you go to file, in file, towards the end you have an option called language. So you click on language and you get a list of languages that you want to select. So English की जगह आपको और कोई language में भी type करना हो, we can do that as well. So for example, if I select Hindi, then I get an option of how do I prefer typing Hindi, and then I can even type any word that I want, irrespective of whether I know the keyboard for Hindi typing or not. Same goes for if I want to type Gujarati, because that is a local language that parents will understand here. Then I'm going to select that language and do the same process. So same Word document में जहाँ पे हम English typing करते हैं, वहीं पे we can select any other language and type that as well. So now we have seen कि different language में type कैसे करें. Now there is this other thing that's here. There's a 3-page long notice for all the students, the parents of all the students. But now it's going to be very time consuming to change the entire 3-page into a different language. उसे पहले translate करो, सोच के translate करो, फिर type करो, and then it is finally ready. Instead, we can save time by something called translate document. So ये है English के अंदर जो parents के लिए notice already लिखा हुआ है, and then the same thing is translated into one language Hindi, and then another language Gujarati, because I want to make sure कि हर parent तक information पहुंचे by whatever means, by whatever language they would understand. पूरा translate manually करने की जगह there is an option called translate document over here. So I open the file जहाँ पे parent notice English के अंदर type किया हुआ है. I go to tools, tools पे click करके tools में there is an option called translate document. तो जैसे हम translate document पे click करेंगे, हमें पूछा जाएगा कि हमें कौन सी लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसलेट करनी है. So I will choose a language. I wanted it Hindi. हिंदी मैंने सब सिलेक्ट कर लिया है, and then I click on translate. So now एक डॉक्यूमेंट में पूरा इंग्लिश है ही मेरे पास जो मैंने खुद से टाइप किया है. Now there will be a new document which will be created, जिसका नाम होगा translated copy of parent notice, and we will have that new document in that new language. So this is how, instead of spending time into manually translating and typing an entire document, हम टाइम सेव कर सकते हैं. एंड मे बी सो यहाँ पे ट्रांसलेशन 99% सही रहेगा, but because computer is translating it, so there are chances that 1%, 1-2% का difference in terms of interpreting हो सकता है. Comprehension might change, meaning might change. So the time that is saved can be used in reviewing the document. कि सही से translate हुआ है, कुछ गलती हुई हो तो उसे check करना. So we saw equations, symbols कैसे add करें, we saw different language में type कैसे करें, translate कैसे करें. Now let's see that हम जो फाइल यूज करते हैं, डॉक्स यूज करते हैं फॉर थिंग्स लाइक राइटिंग एसेज और मे बी क्लास नोट्स को जो डायरी में लिखने की जगह हम टाइप कर लेते हैं, और मे बी टीचर्स हु एक्चुअली क्रिएट लेसन प्लान्स एंड वो डॉक्यूमेंटेड रहे, इसीलिए डॉक्स पे यूज करना। और रिपोर्ट्स, गवर्नमेंट को भी काफी रिपोर्ट्स देने होते हैं, स्कूल के रिकॉर्ड्स के लिए काफी रिपोर्ट्स बनाने होते हैं। सो दीज आर सर्टेन बेसिक थिंग्स जहाँ पे हम स्कूल के अंदर गूगल डॉक्स को यूज करते हैं। नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ एवरी टाइम थिंकिंग कि हमें टाइप करने के बाद उसको पूरी फॉर्मेटिंग करनी होगी, देयर आर सम रेडीमेड टेम्पलेट्स या रेडीमेड फॉर्मेट्स दैट आर ऑलरेडी गिवन इनसाइड गूगल डॉक्स। सो लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स। जैसे आपके सामने ये दिखाई दे रहे हैं एसे के एग्जांपल्स। एसे राइटिंग जो होता है उसके ऑलरेडी फॉर्मेट्स दिए हुए हैं, और मे बी क्लास नोट्स के कुछ फॉर्मेट्स, और लेसन प्लान्स के फॉर्मेट्स, और इवन रिपोर्ट्स। डिफरेंट रिपोर्ट राइटिंग फॉर डिफरेंट पर्पसेस, फॉर्मेट अलग हो सकते हैं। सो वी कैन गो चेक कौन सा फॉर्मेट हमें हमारे पर्पस के साथ मैच हो रहा है, वो पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट लेके हमारा कंटेंट डाल सकते हैं। तो हियर द टाइम इज सेव। इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग ऑफ डिजाइन कैसे होगा, माय एनर्जी एज अ टीचर इज ओनली गोइंग इनटू कंटेंट के अंदर क्या ऐड करना है या कैसे लिखना है। लेट्स सी टेम्पलेट अगर ऐड करना है तो वो हम कहाँ से करेंगे। सो वी गो टू द फाइल select करके we see this option called new. In new there is something called from template, so I click on that and then I get a list of different templates that are there in doc. I select whatever template I want and then I can start editing inside that template. So yes, saves a lot of time and teacher can focus on the content की information क्या है instead of the design. Then the most important or the most favorable thing that's there in most of the Google tools is offline availability of the same thing, which wasn't there in Jamboard, but it's there in Google Docs. So अगर हमें internet की दिक्कत आ रही है, internet is not strong, we can still keep editing our files. So we go to files and make it available offline. अगर हमने इसे enable किया है, इसे offline available बनाया है, then even if we don't have a good internet connection, we can still keep editing and working on a file and it will get saved. जब तक internet आ जाएगा वापस, we have our original document edited on the same place. Then something that's there in other tools as well, of हम जब share करते हैं, हम share कैसे करें. So yes, this is the blue symbol that we can use to share with people using their email IDs or keeping it open. But share करने के बाद भी we have 3 different options of whether we want to keep it only for view, whether we want to keep it कि जिसके साथ हम share कर रहे हैं वो comment कर सके, या पूरा का पूरा document equally edit कर सकते हैं. So we have 3 different options. हमें students के साथ सिर्फ view देना है या वो भी changes कर पाए edit करना है. Now a lot of times जब हम word document पे type कर रहे हैं, अलग अलग डिवाइस पे जब हम ओपन करते हैं, कभी कभी फॉर्मेटिंग।
Pardon you.
Yes, Nisha.
If we are having some file in another language already,
yes,
so without typing we can copy paste there.
So that file is in which format?
It may be in English or Gujarati or Hindi.
Yes, but that's there in Word format, right? You can copy and then paste it in Word.
Word, or it's in the form of PDF then.
So if it is in PDF, online you can go and search how to convert PDF into Word file. Because sometimes you can't entirely copy and कुछ चीजें change होती है.
Yes, ma'am.
So online convert करने का जो option होता है, from there you can convert PDF into any other format.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So yes, so बहुत बार क्या होता है, हमने जो वर्ड फाइल के अंदर पूरी एडिटिंग भी कर दी है रिपोर्ट की, बट व्हेन इट इज ओपनड ऑन डिफरेंट कंप्यूटर्स फॉर्मेटिंग चेंज हो जाती है. सो बिफोर वी शेयर द फाइनल फाइल विद एनीवन, इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम इसे पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट करें, ताकि हमने जो भी फॉर्मेटिंग की है इन टर्म्स ऑफ कलर, इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइन स्पेसिंग, इन टर्म्स ऑफ बुलेट पॉइंट्स जो डाले हैं, वो कुछ चेंज ना हो. सो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम वो फाइल को, वर्ड फाइल को पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट करके शेयर करें. So for that we can go to file and download करते समय we select it as PDF document. So while downloading हमारे पास options आते हैं कि हमें किस तरीके से डाउनलोड करना है. So we select PDF and then जो फाइल हमने बनाई है वो पूरी की पूरी PDF फॉर्मेट में डाउनलोड हो जाती है. So we saw a lot of features of Google Docs. एंड वी सॉ सर्टेन थिंग्स लाइक अगर हमें फाइल शेयर करनी है स्टूडेंट्स के साथ या इवन टीचर्स के साथ, सो हाउ दैट कैन बी डन, एंड एक ही फाइल पे अलग अलग लोग काम कर सकते हैं. वी सॉ सर्टेन टेम्पलेट्स जिसकी वजह से हमें कंटेंट पे ध्यान देने के लिए हमारे पास ज़्यादा टाइम मिल सकता है. वी डोंट हैव टू फोकस मोर ऑन द डिज़ाइन. वी ऑल्सो सॉ सर्टेन लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेशंस, और लैंग्वेज को अगर टाइप करना है टू cater to different learners और पेरेंट्स, वो हम कैसे करें. वी ऑल्सो सॉ ऑफलाइन अगर हमें अवेलेबल बनाना हो, ताकि स्पेशली अगर इंटरनेट की काफ़ी दिक्कत हो रही हो तो हाउ कैन दैट बी पॉसिबल. मे बी पेन ड्राइव में लेके हमें स्टूडेंट्स को प्रोजेक्टर पे दिखाना है. At the same time, the offline thing will be even more helpful. And then equations and special characters, the most important and complicated thing जो typing में आता है, how is that simplified? We saw a few things of Google Docs that we can use in our classrooms. It's quiz time again, so let's all come to the chat box. I will be reading out the questions to all of you, and so the first question is, what Google app is best used for writing an essay? अगर essay writing करना है, maybe students are doing or even teachers are writing and sharing it with students. So कौन से Google app में हम ये लिखेंगे, या Google tool के अंदर हम लिखेंगे. You can come on the chat box and select any one of the options: Google Spreadsheets, Google Docs, Google Jamboard, Google Classroom. What Google app, what Google tool will be used? Great. So it is the same tool that we saw today. We will be using Google tool, Google Docs to write the entire essay and share it with students. Google Docs is a dash. So we have seen so many things about Google Docs, but what exactly is it? Let's see some options. Is it a presentation? Is it word processing, graphics, all of the above? What exactly is Google Docs? There are a few options on the screen which you can select from. For example, we had seen Google Slides. So Google Slides presentation. And what exactly is Google Docs? Is it for presentation? अगर हमें present कुछ करना है, so will we do it in Google Docs? Okay, so there are two types of responses. Some have said all. Yes, it's mainly word processing. Great. So अगर हमें कुछ मटेरियल टाइप करके प्रेजेंट करना है और लिखना है, वी विल बी यूजिंग वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग एंड क्रिएट दैट कंटेंट और रिकॉर्ड द कंटेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन शेयरिंग डायरेक्टली विद अ पर्सन और पीपल, हम जब फाइल को शेयर करते हैं, यू कैन गिव देम परमिशंस टू व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. हम किस चीज की परमिशन दे सकते हैं जब हम शेयर करते हैं फाइल को? व्यू परमिशन, कमेंट परमिशन, एडिट परमिशन, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Okay, yes, we can do edit, view, comment, and all. Great. Yes, based on हमें किसको किस purpose से share करना है, we can select any one of them, and yes, all of them are possible. So which of the following can be done on Google Docs? Make available offline, save as PDF file, translate document, add special characters, all of the above. What exactly is possible on Google Docs? Yes, we can make all of these four things possible on Google Docs. I can see the entire, or all the teachers, the entire audience is very active in listening and responding quickly on the chat box. Amazing. For what purpose can I use Google Docs as a teacher? Now, this is an open-ended question. But हमने काफी सारे features देखे, and Google Docs हमने पहले भी use किया हुआ है. After learning all these additional features, हम स्कूल में जाके या क्लासरूम के लिए किस पर्पस से गूगल डॉक्स यूज करना चाहेंगे? You can maybe raise your hand to give an oral answer, or even use the chat box to type and share. हमने गूगल डॉक्स के फीचर्स देखे. Okay, for question answers, to make notes, to show equation and special characters. Okay. And I'm sure exams के पहले when the school also asks us to submit question papers, हम Google Docs में या Word file में हम इसे type करके share करते हैं with the school. For setting question papers, yes. Okay. Some teachers are using for presentations, for notes, for translating languages and making papers, for lesson plans, question paper. Great. So here we come to the next part of the session. But before that, does anyone have any questions regarding Google Docs? Any queries around Google Docs? We'll wait for 15 seconds more. If any teacher has any query, you can simply unmute yourself and ask. Okay, so we now come to the next part of the space. And before that, a few questions to understand from all of you. So, हम सबको email में एक resource bank का link मिल रहा है. So, for example, Thursday को session complete होने के बाद, on Saturday you get an email जहाँ पे resource bank का link share किया जाता है and resource bank के अंदर there are things like session का recording, ये जो पूरा presentation है उसका PDF file to go back and refer again, और even अलग different materials ताकि आपको अगर और चीजें जाननी हो about the tool, you can also learn it on your own pace. So just to confirm, if all of you can come and share on the chat box that if you have received the resource bank link, type a yes कि आपको email पे ये मिल रहा है every week, the week जब भी sessions है. Okay, so a lot of teachers have typed yes that मिल रहा है. Want to confirm with Nisha ma'am, Amisha ma'am, Anjali ma'am, अगर आपको ना मिल रहा हो, maybe you can revert back to us after the session and let us know if the email IDs are correct.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, so this is just to confirm that सब तक ये link पहुंच रहा है because it has all the materials for all the sessions. अभी तक के जो sessions हुए, आगे जो sessions होंगे, इस सब का material सारे teachers के पास directly पहुंचेगा with this link.
Thank you.
Okay, so in the last few sessions, a lot of teachers showed interest that हमें ये सीखना है, हमें practice करना है, हमें और जानना है. So want to confirm if any of the teachers could go back and practice Google Forms, Google Slides, Google Jamboards जिनके sessions previously हुए हैं. Maybe using the resource bank में जो material है, या even other than that, if you would want to self-learn, if you could practice any of these tools, you can come and share again on the chat box a yes or a no. हमने ये 3 tools Google Forms, Google Slides, Google Jamboards previous sessions में cover किए हैं. Okay, Munif sir has tried Jamboard. Great. Thank you for also sharing the tool names, sir. Waiting for a few more responses. Even agar maybe for any reason if you were not able to practice, you can even write a no that due to certain reason wasn't able. And all those who are writing yes, if you could also share कौन सा tool आपने practice किया है after the session. We'll wait for 15 more seconds for this. Okay, so thank you Munit sir and Jasumati ma'am for sharing that you got some chance to practice this. Naina ma'am has also practiced Google Form. Great. Okay. I hope you found all the teachers who practiced. I hope you found the resource bank useful. So there was a query form that was shared with a few teachers of CG school to collect queries around the tools that they've practiced. And most of the teachers shared that their common query is practicing Google Jamboard. They wanted some time, they wanted some assistance around practicing Google Jamboard. Okay, so there are a lot of teachers who practice Google Forms. Thank you all the teachers for sharing that on the chat box. So now what we'll be doing is we all will be actually going to Google Jamboard and practicing how exactly that is by sharing our screens. So instead of me sharing my screen this time, because last session was about Google Jamboard, and in the session I've already shown certain examples and shared with all of you. So now it is your turn, teachers, to actually go to Google Jamboard and try your hands on it. Munip sir has already tried it, so maybe we could ask Munip sir to share his screen and show what exactly he's tried on it. Till then, I will be sharing a link on the chat box, which is the link for Google Jamboard, the resource link for Google Jamboard. Munip sir, would you want to share your screen and share what did you try on Google Jamboard?
I will try. I have joined with mobile. Let me try. Yes.
For all the other teachers, on the chat box, this is the link for Google Jamboard. The instructions, the features are in this. So you can maybe click the link. If you're using your phones, your phone will first ask to download Google Jamboard on your phone. It will take you to Play Store and ask you to download Jamboard and then open it. So maybe you can take some time. It might take 1 or 2 minutes to download this and use. So once, if all the teachers have got Google Jamboard on their phones, you can maybe type done on the chat box.
So Steffi, just to confirm, the link is of the previous didactic, right?
Yes. For teachers who want to practice Google Jamboard, here are the features of Google Jamboard which are already mentioned. You can use this as a reference.
Steffi, it is showing a view only access.
Yes, this one is only view for everyone.
Do they have to work on this Jamboard, Steffi?
This will help them to download the app immediately. Once they click directly, they don't have to type on Play Store. Munip sir is sharing with us his screen and what he's created on Jamboard. Okay, this is the sir is sharing the same. Sir, if you would want to share what you tried on Jamboard. Once everyone downloads the app, this is what you will be able to open. Without the app, you won't be able to open this on the phone. So Munip sir, would you want to share how, whether you created Jamboard or used Jamboard on phone, or whether you created that on the laptop or desktop, and where did you use it? Was it for online class? Was it for some other thing? Has Munip sir dropped or something like that?
Sorry, Steffi.
Has Munip sir dropped off the call?
Yeah, he's not there.
Oh, okay.
So the other teachers who are here, maybe you can confirm if you have Jamboard on your phones ready.
Maybe they can start a new Jamboard and show how like they'll be practicing. Because the earlier Jamboard which you had shared is view access only. No? They'll be able to see only.
Okay, so Mannat ma'am has already downloaded. Great. So for other teachers who are in the process of downloading, maybe till it is happening, you can watch the screen here. So once you have the app on your phone, the Google Jamboard app, and you open the link, this is what you will be able to see. The entire session जो last time आपको Jamboard के बारे में बताया था, वो Jamboard open होगा. And if you can notice in the corner below, there is this eye symbol which tells only view access. तो आप इसे सिर्फ देख पाओगे. Next button turn करके अलग-अलग pages पे जाके you will be only able to view this. Now on your own phones, अगर आपको एक नया Jamboard create करना है, you will be again going to the app. App के अंदर you will be able to see so this is the Jamboard app that is there. यहाँ पे क्योंकि मेरे काफी सारे Jamboards already created है, so there are so many Jamboards visible. Whereas when you open and you will be able to see a plus sign on the corner. नीचे की तरफ right side में there will be a plus sign. जैसे आप ये plus sign पे click करोगे, a new Jamboard will be opened on your screens. So हमें यहाँ तक आना है. हमें ऐप डाउनलोड करने के बाद ऐप पे क्लिक करना है. Jamboard खुलेगा. कॉर्नर में एक प्लस साइन है. प्लस साइन पे क्लिक करके हमारे पास एक न्यू Jamboard ओपन होगा जिसका हम खुद अपना रीनेम कर सकते हैं बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट यू वांट टू क्रिएट. एंड देन नीचे टूल बार है जहाँ पे अलग अलग फंक्शंस हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं ऑन Jamboard. So a lot of teachers have already downloaded. Lavina ma'am, Shweta ma'am, Naina ma'am, Divya ma'am, Kashish ma'am have already also downloaded. Great. I'll be keeping the screen for 10 seconds more for other teachers to see कि हमें कहाँ new Jamboard तक जाना है, new screen of Jamboard तक जाना है. And then I would encourage if teachers can share their screen and show कि आपके phone में कैसे दिख रहा है. Or maybe we can try different functions. We can try adding sticky notes. There is one additional feature on phone, assistive tools. हम वो भी देख सकते हैं. So any one teacher who would want to share their screen and at least show how to open a new Jamboard, so that all the other teachers are also okay. No problem, Nisha ma'am. You can maybe see the screens of other teachers sharing, and then you can practice that separately. So any other teacher who would want to volunteer and share their screen just to show कि Jamboard तक कैसे जाना है. So in today's session, we are emphasizing more on practice time because a lot of teachers recently had shared that they are okay or they find value in learning about the tools, but जब तक हम खुद ना करें और खुद यूज करके ना देखें, it won't be easy to actually understand कैसे यूज करना है. Hence, practice is something that was emphasized a lot. It would be great that even if the tool is new, लेकिन हम सब सीख पाएंगे अगर आप स्क्रीन को शेयर करके और एटलीस्ट आपके फोन में किस तरीके से दिख रहा है, what can be done. Okay, so Nisha ma'am is sharing a screen. Nisha ma'am ने Jamboard open किया है, the app, and there is this new Jamboard.
Sorry, ma'am, I was got disconnected. I have joined back. Sorry for the
Problem, sir.
interruption.
No problem. We are sharing
Yeah.
our own screens from the phones and practicing Jamboard. Great. So निशा मैम, आपको पेन के नीचे ये जो ऑप्शन दिखाई दे रहा है असिस्टिव टूल्स, आपने जब पेन क्लिक किया तो आपको क्या क्या चीजें दिखाई दे रही है फंक्शन के अंदर?
Just a minute.
Yes.
Different pens are there, colors are there.
Okay. So different types
You
of
can
pens.
highlight it.
Okay. And नीचे इसके नीचे क्या ऑप्शन
Or
दिखाई
text,
दे रहे हैं?
whatever we can go on.
Yes. So assistive tools जो है इसके text tools and drawing tools. Let's try this. अगर हमने assistive tool select किया है, आपको एक select कर सकते हो. So this is drawing that is there. अगर आप अब यहाँ पे एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना ट्राई कर सकते हो बिकॉज दिस इज सिलेक्टेड. कलर रेड इज सिलेक्टेड, सो रेड कलर का सर्कल बनेगा.
Ma'am, it's not getting clicked out. I think so it's hanging out.
So this is already selected. You clicked on the assistive tool drawing के अंदर the shapes. So now you can try doing a circle, and if you notice फ्री हैंड से सर्कल जो ड्रॉ किया था कन्वर्टेड ऑटोमेटिकली टू अ परफेक्ट सर्कल.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can try different shapes also here. So instead of जैसे हम बोर्ड पे ड्रॉ करते हैं एंड देन वी इंटेंड टू ड्रॉ समथिंग, लेकिन ड्यू टू द प्लेटफॉर्म कुछ और ड्रॉ हो जाता है, वर्सेस असिस्टिव टूल्स में यू डोंट हैव टू फोकस ऑन परफेक्शन. यू कैन डायरेक्टली यूज योर फ्री हैंड एंड फोकस मोर ऑन द टीचिंग एस्पेक्ट. Maybe you can try any other shapes or any other color. Okay, so मैम ने undo कर लिया है, and then with drawing there is text as well. So let's try text. You want to maybe write a small word cat with free hands. How does that look like? Okay. So C and A अच्छे से कन्वर्ट हो गया है. Why do you think last letter Q अच्छे से T नहीं बना होगा? You can maybe undo and try again.
Ma'am, why it's happening so?
So maybe you can wait after C and T because there are two different instructions that are going, right? C A is together, like C एक single letter है, A is also a single word, single letter. T के लिए आपको दो बार दो अलग instructions देने हैं, and it's not identifying as two as one alone.
Okay.
So maybe you can try this thing. आप सिर्फ C और A को लिख के once it gets converted, उसके बाद आप T को अलग से टाइप कर सकते हो.